Today I'm going to be reviewing these golden hoops from the company KeyStyle. Shout out for sending this product so I could go ahead and give you a review. So let's go ahead and unbox it now. So as you can see, it comes in a little box just like this. Let me go ahead and take out the hoops. It also comes with a little bag. So once you're done using your hoops, you could simply put them in this little baggie and go ahead and put them away. And then now we have the little hoops. They do come in a package like this. Let's go ahead and take them out. So personally, if you are gifting these to somebody, I would recommend taking them out of the plastic, but it's all optional. So let's see. Wow, they're actually pretty lightweight hoops, but let me show you, they're actually not very thin, but they are not heavy, because that's what I was afraid of, that they might weigh my earlobe down, but they are not heavy at all. Take a look at the hoop itself. Very nice, solid. Again, these are sterling silver, but they are 14 karat gold plated. Let me show you let me go ahead and show you that's what the hoop looks like, and that's the back part of it. So it's kind of like a latch style backing. So take a look, you just open it like that, and then once you're ready to put it on, just go ahead and simply latch it into place. So let's go ahead and try them on now. All right, so they are simple to put in. You simply want to go ahead and push it in and then latch that back piece. So open it up. And then once you're ready, go ahead and just simply press back and latch it on. And as you can see, they are not going anywhere. All right, so I went ahead and pulled my hair back just to give you a closer look on those earrings. Very, very nice. So I just like the way that they look. Super, super nice. Like I mentioned, they are not heavy, so they are not pulling down on my earlobe. They just kind of sit there. They do have these available in a variety of sizes. So these are kind of like a medium size, but there are smaller ones and also larger ones. But I wanted to go ahead and start with a simple medium look. I have not worn hoops in a while, but they are actually quite nice. I really, really like them. They are a thicker style, like a chunky hoop. So I went ahead and pulled my hair forward, and you could still see the hoops coming through. So if you yourself have been looking for some golden hoops, or you've been looking for some hoops to give to somebody, then definitely check these out. Like I mentioned, they are available in a variety of sizes. So I'll go ahead and leave the link down below. Go ahead and click on it, and also make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.